that twice.
gotta move when they play up,
boy. I'm gonna get my camera out the car in a little bit, boy. Woo! Good Lord, man. You done did me a good one. One time you done did me a good one, my boy. boy.
You want me to ride this thing? You ain't never drove this thing this big.
Got no choice, boy. Trail Boss. God almighty. Woo, I know, right? I love the brand new smell of a truck or a car, boy. Dang, man. That is crazy. That is crazy, yo. That is crazy. Woo! I love this. Do this. Say less. Good. There we go. We finna crank that AC back up, boy. Oh, right. Yeah, you right. I sure didn't see it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Boy. Uh-oh. Yo. That is crazy. This is crazy. Wow. We gotta start this up. We gotta start it up, man. Gotta start it up. Hey, man, we're hard for this. We're hard for it. We're hard for it. I bet. Say it is. Say it is. Man, look at this thing, man. Good Lord. Woo. Trail Boss on there. Man, that's crazy. I need a truck, man. What? Oh, embarrassing, big embarrassing. Trail Boss, man. Oh my God. That's crazy. What in the world, man? He done did it. Yo. It's crazy. Boy. We ride clean up in here today. Yo. God almighty. This joint is hard. Oh my God, I love the seats. God dang, and every million years I imagine I got a truck. Not just any truck, I got the truck, man. What in the world? This thing is hard. Oh boy, oh my God. Yo, hold up. Oh yeah, we even close this thing. Oh yeah, I gotta get some pictures. I gotta get some pictures with this. You wanna take some pictures, more?
Now then, open the account menu at the top left.
I gotta close that. Crazy. Woo. I'm tripping.
You can put in your profile
Let me put this right here for now. I'm gonna need that key. I can't get in the house right there. I need this for my camera. Now too, so that way you just have it in your car till you clean out everything. Appreciate you.
Alright, let me know when you get home. Don't forget to pick up Grandma mask, okay?
Oh yes, ma'am.
And be careful.
All right, yeah, thank you, Mom.
Bye.
All right, and so everything.
All right, so everything's done now. I appreciate it.
Okay. Well, my name is Shanique, and I'll be assisting today with getting your new Silverado all set up for you.
Dog. Woo. Man. That boy done did. I can't believe I got a goddamn truck. That's still wild to me. Then we're going to connect the Bluetooth. Yo. This joint is insane. This joint is insane. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, I ain't even never really no type to ever have no choice like that. I like really drove. So the only time I ever drove like any truck really was with my got to drive one of my best friend's mom's truck, And I would drive that on occasion, just randomly, like if they when they needed help and they just need somebody to drive it for random different things or whatever. Like, man, but this is insane. I don't got the mileage ain't all that. I'm used to seeing like 40 right there. Like literally, it's crazy to go from a Kia out to my hybrid and having this. The gas might completely different, bro. What in the world? Yo, oh, this is true on shit too. Gosh, man, this joint is crazy. The gear shift, you just slide it back once to go in the drive, and you just slide it back forward once to go in reverse, and you just press for park. So, like, bro, it's insane. It's insane. Oh my god, this is crazy, Chevy. What? Yo. Yeah, if you're gonna try to start it up, press the button twice. It's a button on the bottom left. It's the one that has like a, I'll show you. Yeah, they both the same key. It's just make sure it's locked first. And then press this twice.
And press that one twice to start.
Then if you wanna get in there, just press the unlock button. You can hop in if you want. You want? Just let the seat back. Yeah, let the seat back right here.
Yeah,
This one. Yeah.
facts. Oh, bro, this a big body.
Then you can go down with it too. I got it raised up.
Yeah, facts, nigga. Oh my, bro, I really say this is so cold, bro.